everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's makeup look, I figured I would do this, which is like a mix of like a purple and a brownie color, and then with a little bit of shimmer right in the center. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next clip. Alright, so to start off, I'm just going to take my primer, the one that I have barely anything left in. Alright, next I'm going to take, I'm going to dip into this shade here from the Urban Decay Naked palette. And then after we have our little transition color, I'm going to take my Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette in Bling Boss, and I'm gonna go in and mix this shade with this shade just to kind of get like a more purple color, but I didn't want to make like too dark of a purple. I kind of just want it a little bit lighter, so I'm just going in with the lighter, like purpley color, and just tapping that on top of it and kind of spreading it around on my lid. So can you see the difference? This one is a little bit lighter than this one. So we'll just do that on this side as well. And then just with a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna go in and just blend in all of the colors just to make sure that there is no harsh lines. And then going back in with this palette, I'm gonna take this lighter color here and just kind of put that on top to just kind of blend it all up seamlessly. And then I kind of want to make this outer portion a little bit deeper. So I'm going to go in with this color here and maybe mix a little bit of this one, so kind of go back and forth with those two. Alright, now going back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm just going to pick up this one called, I believe, Bling Bling? Nope. Glitz and Glam. And I'm just going to pick that up with my finger. And we're just going to place it right here. And then just with a small brush, go in and blend them together. Just like that. Alright, so now I'm going to do my face, and I'll just speed through this just because it's the same thing, same products as usual. I do have a new product that I just picked up though, and it's the Fit Me by Maybelline, I believe, in the shade 05 Fair Claire, or Fair Clyde. So yeah, that's the setting powder that I'll be using on my face, but I'll show you guys what products I used and then write them down and everything. I'll just speed through it so it saves us some time. Alright, so that's everything for the face. So now we can move on to the lower lash line. So what I'm going to do is just pick up like a little brush, make sure that there's no makeup on it already, and I'm going to go into the Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to start off with this color here. And then I'm going to dip into this shade just to deepen the outer one. So I'm not bringing this one in as far, about halfway, and making sure I connect it to the top as well. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this lightest shade. It kind of has like a shimmery kind of finish, and I'm gonna put that on my inner corner, but also kind of like stretch it into here to kind of give me that open eye look. And that is everything for the eyes. So next we'll just apply some mascara. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and spritz my face. And then I'm going to take my beauty sponge and just go over all of my face just to make sure that it's all nice and set in there. Next, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Kiss, just looks like this. And top it off with the gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty Original Gloss. Alright, so this is the finished little eye makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below. It's on this side, I believe. And don't forget to hit the little bell for push notifications, just so you get notified for whenever I upload. And yeah, I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.